Welcome back to Cashflow Builders, where we help you take control of your finances and build the wealth you deserve. If you're looking to make money from your personal finance knowledge, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 practical ways you can make money by leveraging your understanding of personal finance. Whether you're a finance enthusiast, a savvy investor, or someone who just loves helping others with money, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you to start making money. By offering both strategic insights and practical tips, it helps them see how they can apply their personal finance knowledge to make money, while staying true to the Cashflow Builders brand of empowering others to take control of their financial futures. Let's get started. Become a personal finance coach or consultant. First up, we have one of the most direct ways to make money: becoming a personal finance coach or consultant. If you have experience managing your own finances, whether it's budgeting, debt reduction, or investing, you can help others achieve their financial goals too. As a coach, you can offer one-on-one sessions, group workshops, or even online courses. You could focus on budgeting for beginners, getting out of debt, or even more advanced topics like retirement planning or investing. And the best part? You can get started with minimal overhead. Platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and even social media make it easy to reach clients and start building your brand. Start a personal finance blog or YouTube channel. Next, let's talk about content creation. Starting a personal finance blog or YouTube channel is a great way to make money while sharing your expertise. Whether you focus on tips for saving money, investing advice, or the best personal finance apps, there's a huge audience out there looking for valuable financial content. You can monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, or even sponsorships. With consistency and great content, your blog or channel can grow into a valuable resource that earns passive income. And remember, it's all about offering value. The more you help people solve their financial challenges, the more you'll attract a loyal audience, and that translates to revenue. Start an investment portfolio or fund. Here's where things get a little more hands-on: investing. If you've got a solid understanding of the stock market, real estate, or other investment vehicles, you can start building an investment portfolio or even consider starting a small fund. While this one requires some upfront capital and knowledge, making smart investment decisions can generate significant returns over time. You could even share your strategies and investment results with your followers to create a paid community or premium content. And don't forget, real estate is a great avenue too. If you have the resources, flipping houses, renting properties, or even investing in real estate syndications can create lucrative income streams. Create and sell financial planning tools. Next, we've got creating financial tools, something you might not have considered. If you have a knack for creating spreadsheets, apps, or printable planners, you can design and sell financial tools that help people manage their money. There are a ton of people out there looking for resources to help them budget better, track their savings goals, or plan for retirement. If you can create tools that make these tasks easier, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. By automating your sales process, you can generate a stream of passive income while also providing real value to your customers. Offer financial affiliate marketing. Last but definitely not least, affiliate marketing in the personal finance space. If you already use and trust financial products, like budgeting apps, investment platforms, or credit cards, you can start recommending them and earning commissions. By partnering with companies and sharing their products with your audience, you can earn a commission every time someone signs up or makes a purchase. It's a great way to earn passive income while helping others make informed financial decisions. And the best part is, there are tons of finance-related affiliate programs out there, from apps like Mint or NAB to investment platforms like Robinhood or Webull. You can choose products that you genuinely believe in, and recommend them to your audience. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money from personal finance. Whether you're coaching, creating content, investing, or selling tools, there are plenty of ways to turn your financial knowledge into income. The key is to choose a path that aligns with your skills and passions, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cashflow Builders for more tips on managing money, growing wealth, and building the life you want. Also, let me know in the comments which of these ideas you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.